When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal and functionality of your Deltona home, selecting the right window style is essential. Windows play a significant role in both the aesthetic and practical aspects of your home, affecting everything from natural light and ventilation to energy efficiency and security. With Deltona's warm climate and frequent afternoon showers, it's important to choose windows that offer both style and durability. If you're in the process of upgrading your home, here are some of the best window styles for Deltona homes, balancing beauty with practicality to suit your needs. Double-hung windows. Classic charm and versatility. Double-hung windows are a timeless choice that blends well with many home styles, from traditional to contemporary. These windows have two sashes, the part that holds the glass, that slide vertically, allowing for versatile ventilation. You can open both the top and bottom sashes, providing a natural flow of air to cool your home. Aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows have a clean, classic look that fits well with homes of all sizes. Whether you're updating a colonial-style home or simply want to enhance the look of your modern house, double-hung windows add a touch of elegance without overwhelming your home's design. Practical benefits. They are especially useful for homes in Deltona, where the weather can get hot during the summer. Their design allows for maximum air circulation, keeping your home cooler without relying heavily on air conditioning. Additionally, they are easy to maintain since many modern models feature tilt-in sashes, allowing you to clean both the inside and outside of the window from inside your home. Casement windows. Sleek design and energy efficiency. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, similar to a door. They are perfect for homes that want a more modern or sleek look. Casement windows provide excellent ventilation, as they can open completely to allow fresh air to flow through your home. Aesthetic appeal. With their minimalist frame and wide glass pane, casement windows are ideal for homes that want to achieve a contemporary style. Their smooth, clean lines make them stand out and provide a sleek, modern look that pairs well with open-concept designs. Practical benefits. Casement windows offer an airtight seal when closed, which is important for energy efficiency in Deltona's warm climate. They help reduce energy loss, keeping cool air in during the summer and warm air inside during cooler months. Additionally, casement windows are easy to operate. Simply crank them open, and they'll stay open securely, making them great for hard-to-reach areas like kitchen counters or above sinks. Slider windows. Space-saving and functional. If you're looking for a window style that maximizes your space without sacrificing functionality, slider windows are an excellent choice. These windows have a simple horizontal design and open by sliding one pane over another, offering an unobstructed view of the outdoors. Aesthetic appeal. Slider windows create a clean and modern appearance, making them a great option for homes with contemporary, minimalist, or coastal designs. Their low-profile design can make small spaces feel more open, and they're perfect for wide, panoramic views. Practical benefits. In Deltona, where space can be limited in certain homes, slider windows are ideal because they don't require extra space to open outward. Since they slide horizontally, they are perfect for spaces with narrow balconies or patios. Their easy-to-operate design also makes them a great option for people of all ages. Plus, they can be equipped with energy-efficient glass to help reduce cooling costs during Florida's hot summers. Hurricane windows. Protection against storms. Hurricane windows are essential for homes in Deltona, which is susceptible to severe weather and tropical storms during hurricane season. These windows are built with impact-resistant glass and reinforced frames to withstand the force of strong winds and flying debris. Aesthetic appeal. While hurricane windows are designed for protection, modern options come in a variety of styles, including casement, double-hung, and sliding windows. You can choose a design that complements your home's aesthetic while still providing the durability and protection you need. Practical benefits. Hurricane windows not only protect your home from storms but also provide superior insulation, which can help lower your energy bills. These windows can reduce the heat entering your home during the summer and prevent cool air from escaping during the winter. Investing in hurricane-resistant windows can offer peace of mind during storm season and protect your home's structure from costly damage. Picture windows. Maximizing views and natural light. If your Deltona home is situated in an area with beautiful views, picture windows are the perfect choice to make the most of them. These large, fixed windows do not open but provide a wide, unobstructed view of the outdoors, letting natural light flood into your home. Aesthetic appeal. Picture windows create an expansive, open feel that enhances the visual appeal of your living space. They are perfect for rooms like living rooms or great rooms where you want to showcase scenic views of your backyard, garden, or nearby nature. Practical benefits. Although picture windows don't open, they still help improve energy efficiency. Many modern picture windows feature double pane or triple pane glass, which provides better insulation and reduces the amount of heat entering your home during the summer. These windows are low maintenance and durable, making them a long-term investment for any homeowner. Conclusion. Choose the best windows for your Deltona home. Selecting the right window style for your Deltona home is about balancing aesthetic appeal with functionality. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of double-hung windows, the energy efficiency of casement windows, or the hurricane protection of impact-resistant windows, there's a window style for every need. When choosing your windows, it's important to think about how they fit with your home's design, your local climate, and your energy-saving goals. Working with a professional window installer can help you make the best decision and ensure your windows are installed correctly, providing long-term value and comfort for your home.